Go. Big Anthony's a big meeting.
See this? Nobody else has what this thing's got. And that's a #1 rating. It's a pain and thundering one, so it goes on to carry the books even better. It means getting more done in half the time. Because the shape you see on that swatch ends up on that wall. And is as durable as it is colorful.
The pretty girl. Who's a pretty girl? What's this? What's this?
It's a tennis ball.
What is that?
I already told you it's a tennis ball.
Ball? Can you say ball?
Ball.
Ball?
Is high uric acid.
Ball?
If you have
I think I got a bird with Asperger's.
to more attacks,
You guys, do you have a learning deficit?
low uric acid.
Do you have a learning deficit?
In adults with gout, it's not the treatment of high uric
Where do you think you're going? Wait,
Uric
ow!
reduces uric
Hey,
acid to help
hey.
reach a healthy level.
Don't take Uloric if you are taking Music
Ball?
or Captopril or Theophylline.
Does baby want a ball? Ball?
Don't stop taking it. Your doctor may give you other medicines to help prevent flares.
Kiss?
Heart attacks,
Kiss?
strokes, and heart-related deaths were seen in studies. It's not certain Uloric caused them. Certain tests to check liver function may be required. Tell your doctor about liver or kidney problems or history of heart disease or stroke. The most common side effects are liver problems, nausea, gout flares, joint pain, and rash.
If you have gout, ask your doctor about Uloric. It's the last great migration on Earth, a majestic march of life and
Big
death.
bed, cause I keep better than
On a
you.
special edition of 60 Minutes for Kids.
What are you doing?
Kick off a season
Aw,
of
hug.
celebration with American